Right now, I am outdoors. But what's the difference between outdoors and outside? In this situation, I could also say that I am outside, and it would mean the same thing. And this is the case in many situations. However, there are some important differences in how we use these words. When we say outdoors, there is no object. We can't say outdoors the school or outdoors the house. The same is true with indoors. You can't be indoors something. You are just indoors. When we use indoors and outdoors, we are talking about our physical location in relation to buildings, but we are not talking about any specific buildings. And when we use indoors and outdoors, we typically put them after verbs. For example, she likes to play outdoors, or let's go indoors. And again, sometimes the verb is just verb to be. For example, the concert was indoors. Like I said before, inside and outside are often basically the same as indoors and outdoors. For example, you could say she likes to play outdoors, or you could say she likes to play outside. Most people wouldn't see any difference between those. However, we can use inside and outside when we want to specify the object. You can't say indoors the house, but you can say inside the house. Likewise, you can't say outdoors the school, but you can say outside the school. Also, indoors and outdoors are only used to describe physical location in relation to buildings. That is not true for inside and outside. You can use inside and outside for that, but you can also use them to describe physical location in relation to things that are not buildings. For example, open the package and see what's inside. Or, an owl lives inside that tree. We can also use all of these words as nouns. When we use inside and outside as nouns, we add the word the before them. For example, I love this house. The inside is very beautiful. When we put the inside or the outside right before the thing that we are describing, we connect them with the word of. For example, the outside of this house needs to be repainted. When we use outdoors as a noun, we also add the word the before it. But when we say the outdoors, what we really mean is nature. When we say she enjoys the outdoors, that means that she likes to spend time outdoors in nature. She probably likes activities such as hiking, gardening, rock climbing, or picnicking. And although we often talk about the outdoors, in normal conversation, we never really say the indoors. It just sounds weird, and there's usually no reason to say it. We have indoor, no S, and outdoor, no S. These are adjectives, and we usually use them before nouns. They basically tell us where something happens, or where something is meant to be used. For example, an indoor soccer ball is a soccer ball that is designed to be used indoors. An outdoor concert is a concert that is held outdoors. So yeah, that's most of what you need to know about these words. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And if you found this video useful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because that will help other people find it and will also help to support this channel. And if you're interested in seeing more videos like this one, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I usually create 3 to 5 new videos each week. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.